Hey Ravendg here, and welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified if new uploads. So today's video, guys, gagawin natin yung look na nakita nyo. So achieve natin siya. Look na ginawa natin is like peachy, glowing makeup look for Instagram. So peachy look for Instagram, ganyan. So bago natin simulan yan, guys, nga pala maraming salamat for all your support because we're now celebrating 28,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. So today, ito yung pinakaunang tutorial ko, makeup tutorial for my version or ravendg 2.0. So kapag nakawig akong ganito, guys, hindi ako si Raven, ako si hindi ko alam pa, hindi ko pa alam kung anong pangalan ko. So yun, mag-start na tayo, guys. Zoom in ko kayo, ha. So that's my face, bare face. So guys, maglagay na tayo ng ating primer. Shake, shake, shake. So the primer that I'm gonna use is from Detail. So since gusto nga natin ma-achieve yung super glowy na look talagang ayan. After applying your primer, you can now move on to your foundation. Guys, the foundation that I'm gonna use, since I only have one foundation as of the moment, is the Natural Beige of Maybelline. So Maybelline Natural Beige, guys, gagamitin natin. Shade lang natin siya ng very, very light. So, once you're done with your foundation, gawa muna kayo ng beauty blender para mas kumapit pa yung yung product sa face. So, may bago akong beauty blender, nabili ko to sa saan nga ba yun? Sa Robinson eh. Yung binibilan siya ng mga talaga, guys. So, I'm just gonna use this one, yung merong parang ganyan. To para mas mas kumapit pa yung foundation natin sa face. And then, after natin ma-mattify siya ng mas malala sa face natin, let's go dive right into our concealer. In the shade of... Saan yung shade nito? Fit Me Concealer. Medium. In the shade of medium. Ayan siya, guys. Medium. Maybelline Fit Me. So... nilagay lang ako dito sa the same beauty blender na ginamit ko kanina to blend everything out sa aking face. It's time for powder, so I'm just gonna use the translucent or the loose powder of Detail Makeover. So I'm just gonna this one, guys, shake me lang siya. So Detail, this is the kilay. Kilay naman, guys, I'm going to use the LA Girl pomade for my kilay. So LA Girl pomade for my kilay in the shade of Gel 724 Brown. I'm gonna zoom you in kasi magagawa na tayo ng ating eyeshadow. So, mag-start na tayo sa ating eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Careline Play to Slay Careline palette. So, kaka-order ko lang nito literally. Tapos, dumating na siya parang last week, ganyan. So, since peachy yung gagawin nating look, so, ito yung gagawin nating eyeshadow. So, I'm gonna use this like super orangey, peachy orangey. First transition shade. So, kulang tayo na. And then, tap the excess. Tapos, mag-start na tayo. Ito yung mahirap guys, wala akong salamin na maliit. So, lagay lang natin yan sa ating crease. Start tayo dito. And then, slowly blending everything. So, blend nyo lang siya. Very pigmented naman siya. So, konting-konti lang. Okay na yun. Yun ng orange. Kukuha naman tayo ng medyo brownish. So, kunin ko to. Yung shade na nandito. Ayan. Ito siya. Using a smaller blending brush. So, dito lang siya sa may dulo. Outer V. Ayan, medyo dark siya. Tapos, kayaan ko lang siya mag-blend. Tayo ng shimmer. So, for the shimmer, guys, ang gagamitin ko ay ang Detail Metallics, guys. Detail Metallic na palette. So, I'm gonna use this Nisa. Ito sa gitna. So, kuha lang ako ng konti. Ayan. Sobrang pigmented niya na, guys. So, konting-konti lang talaga. And then, apply ko lang siya sa gitna ng aking eyelid. Very gentle. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. Dapat ganyan lang maging itsura niya, guys. And then, E10 smudger ni Mama Ann Clothes na brush. Ganyan itsura niya, guys. That's the final eye look, guys. Okay na siya. Tapos, gawin ko lang sa kabila and I'll be back. Ilang eye, guys. So, okay na siya. Now, gagawin naman natin ngayon ay maglalagay tayo ng false eyelashes. To the nose contour. Ito yung pinakadulo. Yan. So, spare na tayong nose. At mag-bronzer lang tayo ngayon, guys. Then, blush. So, bronzer na gagamitin ko, guys, ay bagong bronzer. And so, I'm going to use the Chanlianya Cosmetics from Dubai. Ito. So, thank you, Minjin, for giving me this bronzer. So, yun yung laman niya, guys. We're gonna go get some blush. So, since peachy ko, wala na rin tayo ng blush, papagaluin natin tong shade na to tsaka itong shade na to sa ating blush. In the shade of Aura Glow Splendid. So let's just... Whoa! Look at that. And then for my lips, I'm going to use the Vice Cosmetics lipstick in the shade of Phenomenal Matte Lipstick, guys. Metallic shade, I'm just gonna use the Nisa and apply it here in the middle of my lips to add some glow. In here. So guys, this is the final look of our peachy Instagram makeup tutorials. So I hope you guys like it. Sana na-enjoy nyo din ang aking ginawang makeup. Hindi ko na nagawa yung aking false eyelashes. Hindi ko na nalagay, guys. Pasensya na kayo kasi nga ang hirap niyang ilagay at yung adhesive na nabili ko ay hindi siya effective. So I'm just gonna use it again. Bibili na lang ako ng mas maganda. Pasensya na kayo kasi na kabukas nga yung bintana, so ang ingay-ingay. So yun guys, sana gawin nyo rin tong look na to and itag nyo ako sa Instagram. Don't forget guys to follow me on all my social media accounts. So Instagram, yung link naman nasa baba lang guys. So maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Maraming salamat again sa pag-subscribe sa channel ko. If you haven't subscribed to my channel guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of new uploads. Thank you so much again for watching this video and I hope you guys like it, enjoyed this video, and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much again for watching guys, and as I always say, don't just dream, make it happen. See you on my next video. Bye!